Here's a 1971 Buick Skylark GS. Now you are going to notice some stage 1 badging on this, a little different badging underneath the hood. As far as the VIN number, how it translates this, decodes it as a GS 2-door hardtop. This is more than likely a 350 V8 car when it began life. It now has a 455 underneath the hood. That is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. I'd call this a driver quality paint. If you look at the still pictures, I pointed out a few areas where it's had some little chips or touch up or what have you. So you can check out the still pictures, see that. You can also check out the still pictures, see the engine bay. It does have the cold air intake and the functional hood here, as you can see. When I pop it, I'll show you what you're looking at. That it has like a stage 1 type intake on it, where you'd have the cold air vents coming from the hood. Now those still pictures, check them out. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. You can click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, call any questions to 507-386-1726. See, it's riding on the Buick style rally wheels. Tri-shield center cap on that one. Now paint, as you can see, it does have a nice luster to it. Again, I'd call it a driver quality paint. You'll find a few blemishes in it. It's obviously had a repaint along the way somewhere. Black vinyl interior, buckets, shifter on the column. Take a look up and down it. It's a straight car. One of the areas I pointed out was kind of on each door at this point, where you'll see a rock chip here. There was one like that on the other side. Interior will need a little bit of TLC as far as the vinyl seats, as you can see. But kind of running, driving vehicle that you want to drive and enjoy the way it is, or take it to the next level and put a little TLC into it. You can sure do that. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call or email in. GS badging in the back. You can see trunk pictures also on our website, where I talk about the still pictures. Car cover is included with the sale and is in the trunk of this car. Go down the driver's side here also. Again, car appears straight, not full of dings, chips, scratches along the door. Although, like I said, here's kind of the matching, the same as on the other side. And there's a little bit of blistering in the paint, and a little bit down below the emblems there. It's tough to kind of get it to show up in the pictures and the videos, but I want to make you aware of that. Now remember, still pictures, check them out. You can see the undersides. All of this car, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. Let's go ahead and start this up. Show you what the interior looks like. A couple A-pillar gauges here. Water temp and oil pressure. Door's been doctored up a little bit with tape, helping hold it together a little bit. Like I said, interior could use a little TLC. Take a look at the seats. A few rips and tears in these. Back ones didn't look too bad, just that rear deck. Now I have had the wipers working in this car. Stereo works in this car. Was factory AC car. Does not have all the AC components on it anymore. Nice running car. Aftermarket tack mounted in the dash. And again, wipers do work. Radio works. Here's your A-pillar gauges. They're also working. Slip around to the back so you can hear this. And we'll take a look under the hood. A little rumble coming out of that 455. see that's talking about with the hood. The induction. Left one they've changed around a little bit there. You see they got ATI ignition. Power steering, power brakes. Again, smooth running, 455. Sounds good. AC. Originally equipped car. Most of the components gone. Like I said, if you're looking for one you can drive the way it is, maybe put a little TLC into that interior. Or you just want to drive it and have fun the way it is. Here it is, 1971 Buick Skylark GS. Now with a 455 underneath the hood. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Check out the still pictures, our website, uniqueclassiccars.com, down below this video in the description. Click on the link that's listed there. It's going to take you right to us. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate